Welcome everybody. This is Joseph Cusick, VP of Wealth and Asset Management from MoneyBlock.com with your trader exclusive on Expiration Friday. Nothing like the smell of volatility in the morning. This has been an ugly expiration open. You see that the VIX is actually up about 13% this morning at around 1430 on the cash VIX this Expiration Friday. Just looking at the overall market breadth, all five sectors for most part of this week have been in short-term uptrends. Well, this Friday, that got undercut. If you're looking at some of the areas like the consumer discretionary areas, like with XLY, that ETF, or RCD, and the equal weight healthcare area, these have been dragging all week. They really sucked it down today, and then the rest of the market has gone down this Expiration Friday. Specifically, let's take a look at the S&Ps. The S&Ps basically have had some upswings. You saw it hit 2100, 2110, and it's pulled back. As a matter of fact, it's down 26 points. If you look at the SPDR ETF SPY, it's actually broken through short-term support at 208. We're going to watch that to see if that weakness continues into the close. The QQQs, or the NASDAQ, you saw the Qs, they are actually down big today as well, down to about 106.5, below 106.5. So you breaking support there. You see now a short-term pullback. Not too worried about it right now, but having this on an Expiration Friday has put a little bit more weariness on whether or not the bulls can sustain and come in and start picking up this dip. Looking at the small caps, now these have been the leaders. This has been the catalyst. IWM, the ETF that tracks the small caps, still remained in an uptrend, but it's now challenging that 124. As a matter of fact, it just broke that 124 before I came on to get this trader exclusive. Switching over to the bonds, we've actually seen that the bonds have held, even though they've tested support, they're holding it, and they're actually above that 129 level on TLT, the ETF that tracks the long-term bonds. It's trading at 130 right now. Watch that 129 area. Has been under pressure, but is now in the green today. The dollar formed a lower high, and it's turned down. It's flat right now, but watch that 26 level on UUP, the dollar ETF. If it breaks above there, you could see dollar strict continue. If it doesn't, we could continue to see this short-term downtrend get a little bit more of a catalyst. USO, which tracks oil. We want to take a look at the oil. Still remains in a short-term uptrend, but it is overbought. Watch 18 on USO for oil. Break of 18, could see some bears come in and some short sellers. Finally, we're going to take a look at gold. Gold is testing that former upside support right around that 116 level on GLD. Watch that closely. Currently trading right around 115.71. If it breaks above that 116 level, you could see that the gold bugs are really going to start to have some catalyst. That's going to be that former support, which is now resistance. That's going to act as another support level or maybe even a springboard, especially if things start to look negative. If the market does turn, though, going into the weekend or early next week, watch the 114 level on GLD for gold and see for support break there and maybe some bearish activity. Well, that's it for your trader exclusive. This is Joe Cusick, VP of Wealth and Asset Management at MoneyBlock.com. Have a great Friday, a great expiration, and a great weekend. Thanks.